In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to use duplicate storage in AFC26. So here's what you need to do. Start by going to your transfer list. In this section, you'll see all duplicates you have received. Select the duplicate item you wanna move and you'll get an option asking if you wanna send this untradable duplicate player item to SBC storage. Just confirm by pressing yes. Once that's done, go back to the main menu and open SBC from the top menu. Inside the SBC section, you'll find an option called SBC storage. That's where all your duplicate items will appear and you can use them directly in your squad building challenges. If nothing shows up for you, it simply means you don't have any duplicates available at the moment. However, if you still can't find the SBC storage option, try using the FC web app or club web app. You'll be able to access duplicate storage there as well. That's all you need to do to use duplicate storage in FC26. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.